Ever wondered how people are turning their photos into these super cute papercut illustrations? Well, it's actually way easier than you think. First, open ChatGPT. You can use either the app or the website. Both work perfectly. I'll leave the link in the description. Next, switch to Create Image mode. Then, upload your photo right here. After that, paste the prompt. Don't worry, I've already put it in the video description, so you can just copy and paste it. Now hit Send. And wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates your artwork. And that's it! Look how adorable that turned out. It honestly looks like a handmade papercut illustration straight out of a storybook. Just download the image and save it to your gallery. So which photo are you going to transform first? Try it now and see how cute your papercut version looks.